If you think you need a huge garage and thousands of dollars to start woodworking, that's exactly why most people never start. Space is tight, tools are expensive, and every guide online tells you to buy everything at once, which can easily cost $5,000 or more. So people either give up or waste money buying tools they don't even need. But what if you could build a fully functional woodworking shop in a tiny space for under $1,000? That's exactly what Ultimate Small Shop shows you, a step-by-step system created by a 25-plus year woodworking expert to help you build your dream shop without wasting money or space. Inside, you'll discover the exact tools you actually need and which ones to skip, space-saving layouts for small garages or rooms, secret suppliers where tools are 50 to 80% cheaper, and even ways to get materials for free. This Cecily isn't just a guide. You also get a deal alert system that tells you when tools go on sale so you never overpay again. And the best part? You can try it completely risk-free with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Right now, it's heavily discounted. But that price won't stay forever. Click the link below and start building your dream workshop today.